Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today is going to be a quick video. I just want to show you guys my very first headband wig. Now, I did already wear it because I had a wedding to go to. I really wanted to record this video before then, do like a real unboxing kind of thing. But things just did not work out that way, so here I am now. I did get this wig off of Amazon. It was super cheap. I just needed something quick for this wedding because this is what my hair is looking like. It's just, yeah, like it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look, super tore up. But with my outfit and the weather and the heat, there just was no way I was wearing my hair out. I didn't want to get my hair dirty either because I really want to wait a month to wash my hair. I really want to push it because I haven't been doing much anyways, so it's not like I really need to wash my hair. So I just figured, why not just get a headband wig? It's quick, it's easy, and it's cute. So let me show y'all what the packaging looks like. It came in a bag like this. It says got wig. Along with the wig you get, obviously I already took one wig cap, but you get two black wig caps. You get these super cute silver hoops. I know it's kind of hard to see them because of the glare. And then they also send you a headband with it. Now, I'm not really big on wearing headbands, but I will show you guys how this headband looks with it. But it is cute. I just don't see myself ever really wearing it. So first thing is first, I'm gonna put on this wig cap. Of course, you want to stretch it a little bit first. And you want to actually wear a black one. I mean, it doesn't really matter the color, but the black one is nice because the headband on the wig is black. So if it's not secure for whatever reason, it starts to slip back, this is your backup. If people will see this, they will not see your hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but it made sense to me. I don't do anything special with my hair. I don't tie it back because I don't want unnecessary tension on my hair. So I literally just throw the wig cap on and then tuck my hair. I have my mirror to the right of me, so that's why I'm looking this way. Perfect. Now, I don't do my edges yet. I wait until the wig is on, so I'm just gonna throw this wig on, y'all. The wig comes in this netting. I really tried to repackage it as best as I could. But the wig comes in this net. That's usually how wigs come. It does say to comb it before you wear it, but I didn't do that because I just didn't feel like I needed to. But now I definitely need to because I wore it 2 times. So as you can see, like, it looks knotty back here and everything. It has 4 combs. I do not like putting the combs in my hair, only the front one, to make sure that it doesn't, slide back. But the combs are usually uncomfortable for me, so on like my lace front wigs, I just cut them off, honestly. I'm about to go to the beach, so that's why I'm looking how I'm looking right now. Hold it upside down. Brand new Deszren, feel me? Don't play with me. I be feeling myself with this wig. I think this wig is so cute. I want the wig to be about here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the front comb and secure it. It velcros, but it's not like real velcro. I don't know how to explain it, but I think it was like some kind of gel velcro, but like it doesn't catch on, like the hair doesn't catch on it. I don't know what kind of velcro it is, but it's different. It's not a regular velcro. And then you just secure it in the back. It's really simple, y'all. Obviously to whatever tightness you want it to be at. I don't want mine super tight because I get headaches very easily. Just like that. And honestly, I kind of like to have the headband like this where you can see a little bit of my real hair because I think it just looks better that way. So I'm just going to touch up my edges a little bit. And I believe that this wig is 24 inches long. And it's full synthetic, so it tangles up easily. You already know how synthetic wigs are. It tangles up easily. I've noticed that this wig doesn't really shed that much, so I'm happy about that. And I'm using Got To Be Glue gel. And what's nice about headband wigs is that you can put them in ponytails. You can do like a half up, half down kind of style too. Like, you can still style them. Me, I kind of just like to have it down, so that's how I'm leaving it. But if you wanted to, you could definitely do all different kinds of styles. You can even rock a side part. I know obviously does not match what I have on right now, but just for the sake of the video, I want to show y'all. It's a cute headband. It is, but I've never been a fan of headbands like that. I would rather wear like a scarf with this. I think a scarf would be super cute. Super cute. I think it would look nice with my leopard print scarf too. On the bag, it also said to not comb it while it's wet, so I'm gonna just comb it while it's dry, like they said. Follow directions. You can already see the difference once you comb it. I'm a diva, I'm a diva, I'm a diva. Told you that back was tore up. And y'all, this wig was not expensive at all. Like, I think it was 20 something bucks, truthfully. But yeah, I just think that headband wigs are really fun. It's good for people that just want to try something new and something quick if they're not really good with wearing wigs or installing like a lace front. You know, it's so easy to do. Or if you're in between retwists and your hair is just not cutting it, you don't know what to do, or it's too short to do styles, or you don't really want to do a style, you don't want to have that tension, then a headband wig, you know, it will solve all your problems. And they have like curly afro ones too. They got bone straight ones, different colored ones. Like, y'all, you can be whoever you want to be. Like, that is so cool to me. I really do love the convenience and how easy it is. Like, with a lace front, it takes me like 2 hours to install that. Who wants to spend all that time? That's like half the time it takes me to retwist my hair. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't want to do that, like, at all. The point is, I want it to be low maintenance, you know? And I just feel like with the lace fronts, you gotta glue, and then when it's time to take it off, or if it's lifting, it's taking the little hairs around your edges with it, and it's not cute. It's not cute, man. So far from my experience when I've done them myself, they're not really that comfortable. And this wig is really comfortable. Like, it's not too tight, you know, you can adjust it very easily whenever you want, and it's super lightweight, like super lightweight, super lightweight. Alright y'all, like I said, the link to this wig will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. And don't forget, drop down your wig websites and things like that in the comments for me. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'm sure everyone else who's watching this video would also appreciate it. And that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.